friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel Balu Master. Today I am going to discuss KSET 2021 strategy. Just 1 week ahead, friends. So KSET 2021, how to crack, what are the tips to need to score very good marks, and what is the strategy to implement to crack 2021. I'm going to discuss, friends, and along with that, what is the mode of the examination, what are the important dates with timings, and also time management, how to do all these contents I'm going to discuss in this video. Let us start our video, friends. First most important point, important dates along with timings. What is the duration of examination? We have to know first. Examination dates are August 28th, today is 21st, exactly 1 week time is there. So August 28th, Saturday examination, 10:30 to 11:50 biology exam, and 2:30 to 3:50 means afternoon session they are going to conduct mathematics exam. Similarly, August 29th, 10:30 to 11:50 physics exam, and 2:30 to 3:50 chemistry examination. So they are going to conduct in 2 days examination. All 4 examinations they are going to conduct in 2 days, Saturday and followed by Sunday also. So Saturday and Sunday examinations are there, and also the number of questions already you know, that is what 60 questions, each paper containing 60 questions, friends, and also timing is 80 minutes time. So 10:30 to 11:50 means 80 minutes time. Similarly in the remaining all examinations also 60 questions. How you are going to attempt within 80 minutes, I want to give the strategy at the end of the video. Let us come to the second point, is mode of the examination. Friends, very clearly the mode of the examination is offline only. Mode of the exam, I hope you know very well, that is what offline exam is, friends. Means they will give, so they will give the question paper along with that OMR sheet they will give. You need to bubble OMR sheet and you need to submit at the end of the examination. So the examination completely offline only. There is no online exam for KSET 2021. And also coming to next point, you need to manage time. So time management is a very crucial part while solving KSET examination. I'm going to discuss along with the time management the strategy of the examination also. So listen carefully, what is the strategy? This is one of my strategy I'm going to share with you. If you like seriously, then you can able to follow the same strategy for the examination. Before you are going to know the strategy of the examination, you have to know one very important point regarding KSET exam. So the important point is, so in KSET examination there are 60 questions. Okay friends, you know very well, 60 questions. In these 60 questions, all questions are not difficult. That is important point. So in 60 questions, they are going to segregate it into 3 parts. What are the 3 parts means? 40 questions and 15 questions and 5 questions. What is this 40? What is this 15? What is this 5 means? So compulsory out of 60 questions, they are going to give 40 questions are easy questions only. So easy questions in the sense, so they are going to give by applying any formula, by applying any shortcut, by applying any result. So you can able to give direct answer. 40 questions. They are going to give little bit difficult model, that is what medium layer questions. So that is what medium layer questions. 15 questions they will give. You need to identify what 15 questions are medium layer questions. So that 15 questions, which kind of questions means, like if you apply the formula, you are going to simplify the solution, or else if you want to, you need to memorize the corresponding concept. Like 15 questions will be there, and also 5 questions definitely they are going to give difficult only. 5 questions they will give difficult questions, friends. So now the important point is, so they are not going to create the question paper as out of 60 questions, first 40 easy, next 15 medium, next 5 questions as difficult. They are not going to give the questions as like this. All the 60 questions, they will shuffle the questions. They are going to shuffle all the questions, friends. That's what, so you need to implement one kind of strategy. By using this strategy, you can able to identify very easily which 40 questions you need to attempt first, which 15 questions you need to attempt in the second layer, and how you are going to attempt in the third layer the difficult questions. So just listen carefully, friends. This is the strategy which is very important. So question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3, question number 4, question number 5, the questions like that, and followed by option A, option B, and option C, option D they are given. So similarly all options for all the questions, like 4 options they give. like 4 options they'll give for each and every question. So now while you are solving, you need to read question number 1. So question number 1, for example, if it is any difficult question, for if you don't know anything related to that concept, that time what you are going to do means you don't try to simplify, first question 2 to 3 minutes or 4 to 5 minutes. Just simply leave the question and go for the next question, friends. If you don't know anything about first question, just leave the first question and go for the next question. While you are leaving, just keep it an underline below the question number. Question number below, you need to keep it an underline and move to next question. For example, second question, somewhat if you apply any formula, that formula you don't know, just you need to memorize the formula, but it is very difficult you are feeling. That time also, the second question also you leave and go for the next question and make it an underline and move to next question. For example, third question, it is very easy just by applying the shortcut, or else by applying the concept based questions also they'll give. So concept based question, that time you know very well, you need to tick the answer if it is third option or second option or first option or fourth option. Like fourth question, easy, you can take question you don't know, underline. Like which questions are you are feeling within is below 1 minute, means few questions you can able to complete within 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds also you can able to complete. Like that kind of questions, all questions you need to select in the first layer and you need to attempt the questions. So like all 60 questions you need to complete by the way only. Understand or not, friends? If you complete all the 60 questions by the way, definitely you people can attempt 40 questions very easily. But in the first layer you are reading each and every question, and which question you are feeling as difficult you are leaving, and which question you are feeling as flexible and easy you are attempting. Like 40 questions you people attempt, and 40 questions you people can able to attempt in 40 minutes, no doubt at all. Why? Because few questions maybe in 1 second, few questions maybe in 10 seconds, few questions maybe in 15 seconds, or few questions maybe in maximum 1 minute. That kind of questions only you are attempting in the first layer. So that's what 40 questions you completed within 40 minutes. Still in your hand 40 minutes remaining. Total timing is 80 minutes. Already I discussed that point. Now coming to second layer. Coming to second stage, now you are identified the underlying questions, means which questions you are not attempted already, you know, by observing these underlines. Now again come to first question and read the question once again. So when you are reading second time, compulsory that related concept or whatever, definitely you people will get it. So means that is what medium layer questions next we are choosing. So medium layer questions which you know, for example, the question takes more than 1 minute. So that kind of questions. Okay, the question which is related to previous concept you need to remember. Just you need to think and attempt the question. Means that is what 1 minute and 1 minute 10 seconds, 1 minute 20 seconds questions. Like whenever you are reading second time, for example, again first question you are not getting, then move to second question. For example, second question you are getting somewhat 1 minute if you spend 1 minute and 1.5 minute if you spend on second question, you are getting the answer. You tick the answer, and once if you completed, then you tick a cross mark. Like fifth question you are getting, please keep it a cross mark and tick the answer. Like you complete in the second layer questions, the 15 medium layer questions also. So at least in the 15, you people can able to attempt 10 to 12 questions. 10 to 12 questions. For example, out of 15 questions, you attempted only 12 questions. So 12 questions means already 40 questions here ready in 40 minutes. And how much time it takes for 12 questions? Mostly 15 questions you are attempting means 15 into 2. You can take 30 minutes time. So 30 minutes time you can take. You spend each and every question on 2 minutes time. 2 minutes you are spending means 15 into 2, 30 minutes. No doubt at all. This is 70 minutes already over. And you are perfect with 52 questions. 52 questions. Already 40 questions plus 12 questions. 52 questions you are perfect in 70 minutes. Now in your hand 10 minutes and you need to attempt remaining 8 questions. 10 minutes, 8 questions. It is very easy. And also you need to remember very important point here. KSET examination, there is no negative marking. So that's what you need to attempt finally each and every question. And also don't follow the strategy as Pinky Ponky. Compulsory you need to follow that relevant and related answer only. Again read the first question. While reading third time the question, compulsory you are going to get any one of the idea related to that concept. So using that concept, try option verification, maybe first option wrong, third option wrong, maybe the answer will be B and C. So then that related answer which is related to the given question you need to tick, that is what your luck. So like the remaining 8 questions you complete. For example, out of 8 questions, if it is 2 correct, maybe 3 correct, maybe 5 correct, maybe all wrong, not a problem. Why? Because which questions you don't know, you are leaving that questions only. That's what you no need to feel tension also. But if you are not following the strategy, what you people will get confused at the time of examination, you know. So for example, if you start the first question, it is very lengthy question they are given, that time you are wasting simply 5 minutes or 6 minutes time here only. Like that you are bad, like first 5 questions, whatever difficult questions are there, all the difficult questions given and first 5 questions only. That time what happened, you are spending almost 20 to 25 minutes time in these 5 to 6 questions or 10 questions only. 5 questions, 20 minutes you are spending, and the remaining time, so 50 questions you need to attempt within 60 minutes. So 50 questions you need to attempt within 60 minutes means automatically tension will start. That's what again the medium layer questions, if you face in the next stage, automatically next 5 questions also you are going to complete within 10 to 15 minutes automatically. So last finally 30 questions will be remaining and you have only 10 minutes time or 20 minutes time. Definitely, maybe you know, after 20 questions, each and every question, maybe you know, that's what you people cannot able to read properly because of very shortage of time. So that's what you are going to do more mistakes at that situation. That's what, please keep it in your mind. Time management is very important along with proper logic. If you follow this logic, you can able to memorize while reading the second time the appropriate formulas, and also in the third stage, whatever question you are reading, that is what purely your unknown questions only. If the question is unknown for you, if you are leaving, that is not a biggest problem. Don't leave the question. If the unknown question also, you need to attempt appropriate answer. Don't go for pinky ponky or 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 2 like the way. So that's what please, that related or relevant answer you better to tick. So then this is the super duper strategy to crack each and every subject minimum 50 marks of the score. Few people, they are going to struggle with time, so each and every concept they prepared, each and everything they know, but they cannot able to present properly at the time of examination because of time management. How to adjust, they don't know. This is a style to manage your time and also implement the strategy also. If you like the strategy, definitely you follow. If you are not liking this strategy, if you are going to follow your own strategy, if anything is there, you can able to implement that strategy online. But before you are going to attempt this strategy in the final examination, take one practice examination you need to take, and once you need to work out the same strategy in the question paper. So if it works out, then you need to follow in the examination. If it is not work out, you need to no need to follow this strategy and follow in your own strategy. And last, one more important point. For example, while solving the question paper, you are feeling is the question paper is too difficult. Please keep it in your mind the point. If you are feeling is the question paper is too difficult, the question paper is not only difficult for you, the question paper is difficult for throughout the state. You need to keep in your mind that one point. Not only you, the remaining people also will struggle. You don't know about that. That's what, be cool. And so you need to give motivation to yourself and you need to continue the examination. Don't fed up with the examination. Please be cool and write the examination if it is difficult, even though. So whenever the question paper is too difficult, that time 40 marks only, it's a very good mark. So keep it in your mind that point. No need to get 55 marks or 56 marks. If the question paper is too difficult, if you are getting 40 marks only, that is only valuable. So if you are getting 35 marks, that is only valuable. If the question paper is easy, if you are getting 50 marks, also not that much valuable. You need to score 55 or 57 or 58 like that. So that's what, be careful. If the question paper is difficult, even though you have advantage, if it is the question paper is easy also, you have the advantage. So that's what, be cool and write down the examination. So don't get tense at the time of examination. And moreover, last but not least, one more important point. This year the examination will be conducted on 70% syllabus only. So that's what, you no need to prepare 100% syllabus. So already aware about that. Already I made a video on that also. If you don't know what 70% is there, I'll keep it on the description. You need to check one. If they're asking any question related to that 30%, no doubt at all, they'll give add score. You don't tense at the time of examination. So that's what, 70% you need to focus more and more. course friends. And also already I made a videos on KSET 2021 and also KSET 2020 also I done the videos. Please follow KSET 2021 and KSET 2020 and you can able to identify examiner mindset. So my classes all related to how the examiner given the questions. So like that kind of questions only discussed in my videos. So that's what you need to observe on examiner mindset. Whenever you understood the examiner mindset in the sense of which kind of questions they're asking, if you understood examiner mindset, then you people can able to score good marks. That's what once you follow 2021 and 2020 all the previous all my videos, if you follow all my previous videos, definitely you can able to catch examiner mindset friends. And also if anybody want any topic related videos on KSET, please text me and also please give a comment, so that related concepts or that related topic or else that related chapters I'm going to discuss in this 1 week also. I'll help you, no doubt at all. That's what so please share which chapters you want regarding mathematics. Definitely I'll help you. So the same strategy you need to apply for maths, physics, chemistry and biology also. Definitely it will be helpful friends. So I hope you understood and you likes the strategy. If you seriously like the strategy, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So that's all for today's class friends. Thank you so much friends. Thanks a lot.